Hi students, welcome to all of you in today's class. Today I am going to solve a problem from combined solid and sphere. Let's see, the question is given. In the given figure, one figure is given here. In the given figure, a solid is composed of a cylinder with hemisphere. Means solid is made with cylinder and hemisphere at one end. If the total surface area and the height of the solid are, the total surface area of the solid is given and height of the solid is given, then we have to find out the height of the cylinder. Only the height of the cylinder, this much part we have to find out. Let's see. In solution, what is given? Here TSA equal to how much given? 770 cm square, and total surface area and the height of the solid are given. Height of the solid, height of the solid, height of the solid that is given, means height of the solid, that means height of the cylinder is given and hemisphere is at the end of this solid. So R plus H equal to given here how much? R plus H equal to given 14 centimeter. Now R plus H we have, so R equal to, can we write 14 minus H? Okay, R plus H equal to 14, so R equal to 14 minus H. After that, TSA is given how much? 770 cm square. Now TSA equal to 770 cm square. What is the formula of TSA of this solid? TSA of this solid, that means the area of this upper part, that is pi r square. Area of this curved surface area of this cylinder, that is 2 pi rh, and the area, the curved surface area of this hemisphere, that will be 2 pi r square. So it will be pi r square here, pi r square, 2 pi rh and 2 pi r square, this equal to 770 cm square. After that, pi r we can take here common. Pi r is common. How much left here? R plus 2 pi r is common, 2h plus 2 r is common. Sorry, pi r is common, so 2 r equal to 770 cm square, or the value of pi is 22 upon 7. R means 14 minus h, and this R means again 14 minus h plus 2h plus 2, and R means again 14 minus h, equal to 770 cm square. After this, 22 upon 7 and here it is 14 minus h, and in this we can write down 2h and minus h, that will be, okay, 14 minus h plus 2h plus 14 to the 28 minus 2h, plus minus 2h and plus 2h will cancel, equal to 770 cm square. After this, it will be, okay, I am rubbing the question. We have to find out height of the cylinder. Okay, let's see. After this line I am writing here. Can we write 22 upon 7 into 14 minus h into, it will be 28 and 14 means 42 minus h. We can write down here. Okay, equal to 770 cm square. Let's solve this. It will be 22. After multiplying this, it will be 22 by 7 into 56 minus 42h minus 14h plus h square equal to 770 cm square, or it will be h square minus 56h plus 56 equal to, direct I am writing 770 into 7 divided by this 22. I have done here cross multiplication of these two, cross multiplication, and this 22 will come in division. After this, h square minus 56h plus 56 equal to, after doing these all, let's cancel. 11 2 ja 22, 11 7 ja, it will be 35. 35 into 7, 245. Or no, here I have done mistake. Yeah, 42 and we have to multiply here. I added here. It should not be this much. It should not be 56. It should not be 56. Yeah, we have to multiply these all. After multiplying, we will get altogether 588. It is 588. Here also we have to write down 588. 588. Now h square minus 56h plus 588 minus 245 equal to 0, or h square minus 56h plus 588 minus 245. 8 minus 5 will be 3. Altogether I have calculated here, so it will be 343. 343 equal to 0. I am writing this line also. After this, 343 and 56, that means 42, 49 and 7. Yeah, h square minus 49h minus 7h equal to 0. H is common. H will be common, so it will be h minus 49 minus h, so it will be h minus 49. 9 3 ja 9 7 ja 63. Yeah, h minus 49 into h minus 7 equal to 0. Now we can write down here either h minus 49 equal to 0, that means h equal to 49, or h minus 9 equal to 0, or h, sorry, 7 h equal to 7. Now this value h equal to 49, because r plus h, this r plus h both are given only 14 centimeter, and if we will take this h equal to 49, it's not possible. So here we can, in region we can write down. Okay, here r plus h equal to 14, so h equal to 49 is not possible. Not possible. After this I am writing here is not possible. Therefore r equal to how much? Only 7 centimeter. h equal to only 7 centimeter, and we had r plus h equal to 14. So r equal to how much came? H equal to 7 came, so r plus 7 equal to 14, so r equal to also 7 centimeter. This we should write down in box. Therefore h equal to 7 centimeter means or hence the height of the cylinder, h equal to only 7 centimeter is its answer. Means total surface area was given, r and h both were given, r plus h were given. Then we had to find out only the height of the cylinder. So we can do by this way. Only we have to remember the curved surface area of this upper part. Total surface area means the curved surface area of this upper part, then curved surface area of the cylinder, and curved surface area of the hemisphere. That will be the total surface area of this solid object. Understood, I think? Okay. Thank you for watching.